Today, we'll have a walking tour of the North Tower of Shands Hospital, otherwise known as UF Health Shands Hospital. So we enter at the Children's Hospital, which is in the northeast end of the building. So this is the lobby of the Children's Hospital. And you have here the check-in counter on the right. You continue walking this hallway and you will see the other parts of the North Tower. So we're so lucky that it's not so crowded today. So here on your right, approaching, this is the cashier where you pay things that you need to pay. And then you have the admissions office. And then on the left here, this is the family waiting area. Family members will be waiting for the patients that are having procedures being done to them. So we have a nice space here, sitting area, and we have a charging station for charging your devices. And then we're now approaching the main lobby of the North Tower. This is called the atrium. You have grand entrance there, very high ceiling. And this side on the right goes to the other parts of the hospital. Then you have the biggest coffee shop here, run by Opus. Then we proceed to the next part, which is on my right will be where you have the pharmacy and the medical labs on the right there. Then going on forward, we have more waiting areas and we have doctors' clinics over here. The one on the left is a breastfeeding station for mothers who breastfeed. And then we have nephrology clinics. And then here on the right side we have surgical specialties. So if you have surgery, you go back there after 2 weeks and they will check whether your wound is healing properly, or they will remove the staples in your wound, incisions. And then you have ENT over here. Okay, moving forward, we will now connect to the hallway of the College of Dentistry. The College of Dentistry has a building which is 11 stories high, and this is the biggest dental school in the state of Florida. So on your right here, this is where the patients for the students' clinic will check in. That's how big your check-in area is. And then farther more over there will be where you exit to the west wing.